Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share my experience and thoughts about Nike Flex Experience 11 running shoe. Before heading forward, if you are watching our channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I request you to do it now and support our channel. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. I bought this running shoes from Flipkart and buying experience was quite okay, but once I received the product, the condition of the package was horrible and the outer box was completely crushed, and I rechecked twice to ensure the product is damaged or not. Fortunately, the product was good and shoes were intact and the seal were on. And after cross-checking, got to know that it's a genuine product. Only the outer box has been damaged while shipping. This shoe costs 5,000 rupees on different e-commerce platforms, or even if you go to Nike showrooms. But during offers, you might find this shoes for quite lesser price, like 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. And this shoe comes with different color options which are funky and comfortable. I say cushioning provided on this shoe is okay and not up to the mark. But if you're someone who is using this shoe for the first time, I mean, if you are trying Nike shoes for the first time, then definitely you can give it a try. If in case you like the shoes, I'll leave the links in the description below. You can go and check it out. I have used this shoe for running as well as for exercises and walking. And it's okay for walking and exercises, but for running I really don't recommend the shoe because of the poor cushioning support for your foot. And one more very important fact about this shoe is right now Nike is not manufacturing Experience 11 series, hence they have upgraded it to Experience 12. So if you check these shoes on Nike home site, you won't find it. And you will get the shoe only with the offline stores or e-commerce platforms which are older stocks, but still it's bang for a buck, so definitely you can give it a try. Hence this is an early video. Even I got to check how long it lasts or how the durability is, but I hope Nike doesn't disappoint me. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.